Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Hello everybody, this is Mathematics Worksheet 1. It belongs to the chapter Real Numbers. Now we see multiple choice questions, in which question number 1. What is the HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest composite number is 4. So we are asked to find HCF of 2 and 4. HCF of 2 and 4 is clearly 2. So option A is the right answer. Here 2 can be written as 2 power 1. This is 2 square. So here 2 is 2 power 1 and this 4 is 2 square. Now here it is HCF, but we should take the least power. So here 2 power 1 and 2 square. 2 power 1 is the least, so that is the HCF. Now we see question number 2. The decimal expansion of the rational number 43 divided by 2 power 4 into 5 power 3 will terminate after. So here let us write it 43 divided by 2 power 4 into 5 cube. I am writing here it as into 5 divided by 5. So this is 43 into 5. 5 cube into 5 is 5 power 4. So it is denominator will be 10 power 4. 2 5 is 10 power 4. So here power 4. So this value will terminate after 4 places. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 3. Which of the following numbers has terminating decimal expansion? So here whose denominator is in the form 2 power m into 5 power n. So where m and n are positive integers. So that will be having terminating decimal expansion. That is having terminating decimal expansion. So here if we observe the options, see this is 2 power m means 2 power 3 into 5 power 6 in the form 5 power n. So here option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 4. If HCF of A and 8 is 4, LCM of A and 8 is 24, then A is. So here this is A is first number, number 1, and 8 is second number, number 2. Here also same, n1 is A, n2 is 8. We know that the product of the numbers n1 into n2, the product of the numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Product of their HCF and LCM, or LCM and HCF, both are same. Now here let us substitute the values. n1 is 8 A into n2 is 8 is equal to H means HCF is 4 into L for LCM is 24. Now here let us simplify. We can cancel. It is 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So when we multiply, here we get A equal to 4 3s are 12. So here the value of A is 12. Let us see the option. Option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 5. That is, the total number of factors of a prime number is, every prime number it has 2 factors. One of them is 1 and second one is that number itself. So here there are 2 factors. One of them is 1 and second one is the given number. So here 1 and 2. total number of factors 1 and this number is can be taken as 2. So 2 factors total. So for example here I am saying if we take 17, for 17 factors 1 and 17 excuse me. Same way if we take 13 whose factors are 1 and 13, that means 1 and that number itself. So here there are 2 factors. So let us see, option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 6. That is the HCF and LCM of 12, 21, 15 are respectively. So here we are asked to find their HCF and also LCM. So here let us write 12 as 2 square means 4 into 3. This is 12. This is 3 into 7 is 21. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now here first I am finding HCF, highest common factor. Here 2 square is here, 2 square is nowhere. And here what else are there? 3 power 1, here 3, here 3. So HCF is 3. And then let us find the LCM now. Here LCM is here 2 square into here 3, 3, 3. So we can write 3. Here 5 and 7. Right. Now here 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. This is 20. 3 7s are 21. Now 21 2s are 42. So 0 here for 420 it is. So finally HCF is 3. LCM is 420. 3 comma 420. So here option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 7. The value of x in the factor tree. So here this is the value of x. Here it is 5. Here blank 5 blank 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. So let us fill this box. 5 6s are 30. 5 30s are x, means 5 30s are 150, nothing but x. So x is 150. So option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 8. 225 can be expressed as, here this problem can be solved from the options also. It is 5 into 3 square is 9, 5 9s are 45, like that you can do. Or the actual method is 225, it is 25 into 9. 25 is 5 square, 9 is 3 square. So 5 square into 3 square. See, option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 9. The LCM of the smallest 2-digit composite number and smallest composite number. Smallest 2-digit composite number, 2 digits are starting from 10. 10 itself is a composite number. So it is LCM of 10 and the smallest composite number is 4. Now the question is that LCM of 10 and 4. So here I am writing LCM of 10 and 4. So if you find the LCM, here is 10, here is 4, with 2, 2 5s are, 2 2s are. That's all. So since these are prime numbers, we can stop it here. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20 finally. So the LCM is 20. So option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 10. HCF of two numbers is 27 and their LCM is 162. If one of the numbers is 54, then the other number is, so here one of the numbers can be taken as n1, other number can be taken as n2. Here this is the LCM and this is the HCF and this is the LCM. We know the formula that product of the numbers n1 into n2 is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Let us substitute the values. Here n1 is 54 into n2, that is what we are asked to find. Let us write n2 as it is equal to LCM into HCF. LCM is 162 into HCF is 27. Let's simplify further. Here we can cancel. This is 27 1s are and 27 2s are. Now further let us send the 2 here. So N2 becomes 162 divided by 2. So it is 81. Second number is 81. From the options, option D is the right answer. Now we see question number 11. 2 root 3 is which kind of number? 2 is rational number into root 3 is irrational number. Product of rational and irrational is always an irrational number. Therefore, the answer is an irrational number. That is C. Option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 12. HCF of 144 and 198. So here let us write 144 as 144 can be written as, here it is 2 into 72, again 2 into 36, 2 into 2, 36 can be written as 2 into 18. This is 2 into 18 is again 2 into 9, 9 is again 3 square. So finally it is 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 power 4 into 3 square. Let us consider 198. Now let us do for 198. 198 is 2 into, this is 99. This is 2 into 3 into 33. 2 into 3 into, this is again 3 into 11. So it is 2 into 3 into 3 is 3 square into 11. Now here let us find the HCF. Here it is 2 power 4, it is 2. So the least number is 2, means the common factor we can say. Here 3 square and 3 square, so 3 square. So that's all. 2 into 9, 3 square is 9, 2 9s are 18. So here from options, option B is the right answer. Option B is 18, that is the right answer. Now we see question number 13. That is, if P is a prime number, then LCM of P, P square and P cube is, LCM is nothing but highest power of P. Here it is P power 1, P power 2, P power 3. Since P power 3 is the highest one, so P cube is the LCM, that is option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 14. That is, decimal expansion of 23 divided by 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. So since here 2 cube, here only 5 square. So let us multiply and divide this fraction with 5. So into 5 by 5. Now let us rewrite it. That is 23 into 5 is 115 divided by, it is 2 cube into 5 square into 5 is 5 cube. So it is 2 cube into 5 cube. It can be written as 2 into 5 whole cube. So this is 115 by 1000. Since 3 zeros are there, after the point, after the decimal, 3 values should come. So here 0.115. It can also be written as 0.115. From options you see option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 15. Which of the following is rational? Root 6 and root 9. Root 9 is 3. So finally it is root 6 plus 3. Root 2 plus root 4 is 2. Root 4 is 2. Root 3, root 9 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is root 3 and root 5. Both can be left as it is. Now here you see this is irrational and rational. Sum of irrational and rational is irrational. Sum of irrational and rational is irrational. Rational and rational, final answer is rational. Sum of irrational and irrational is always irrational. Now the question is that which is rational? Clearly option C is rational. Now we see question number 16. A pair of irrational numbers whose product is a rational number. So here let us multiply them. 16 4s are 64. So root 64 is 8. So this is rational number. Actually rational means it is denoted by q. Just for I am writing this as according to the spelling. You do not think that this is the r means okay, a real number. Here r is rational number. As I don't have the place, I am just writing r, that's all. Actually rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. Okay. Root 5 and into root 2, product is multiplication. So root 5 into root 2 is root 10. Root 10 is again irrational number. This is root 3 into root 27. When we multiply it, we will get root 81. That is again 9. So it is rational. Here it is root 36 into root 2. So it is root 72. This is irrational. Now the question is that a pair of irrational numbers whose product is rational. Here these numbers also should be irrational. Actually this is root 16 value is 4. This is 2. Both are rational, but final answer is rational. Here the question, the pair should be irrational, answer should be rational. So here both are rational, so it can't be the option. So the answer is irrational, answer should be rational, so it can't be the option. So here let us check. Root 3 and root 27. So here this is irrational, this is also irrational, but the product is rational. This is what is required. So here option C is the right answer. Let us check option D. Here this is 6 rational, so it is irrational. Rational and irrational, it can't be the option because here both the numbers should be irrational. Final answer should be rational. So here also it is not following. So option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 17, that is pi minus 22 by 7 is which kind of number? We know pi is 22 by 7 minus, let us write the 22 by 7 as it is, they get cancelled, we get answer as 0. So 0 is which kind of number? Let us check the options. Is 0 a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number. Is 0 an irrational number? No, it is not an irrational number. Is 0 a prime number? No. Is 0 an even number? 0 can be neither even nor odd. So this can't be the option. So option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 18, that is the largest number, nothing but HCF. HCF of the largest number, that is HCF, okay, which divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainders as 5 and 8 respectively. For 70, remainder is 5. So the required number is 70 minus 5, that is 65. 125 minus 8, that is 117. So our question is HCF of these two numbers. So it can be written as 13 into 5. This is 13 into 9. 9 is 3 square. So the HCF is 13. So option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 19. Dash is neither prime nor composite. 4 is composite number. 1 is, this is what? Neither prime nor composite. 2 is prime number. 3 is also prime number. So option B is the right answer because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now let us see question number 20. All non-terminating and non-recurring decimal numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. So here when it is NT, NR, non-terminating, non-recurring, it is always an irrational number. It is always an irrational number. So let us see the option. Option B is the right answer. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please Do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.